also now want to introduce you to some other innovation that we're going to try. A friend called Andy. Andy, hi.
I'm in Johannesburg. Lovely to meet you.
Wonderful. So Andy, what are you going to be doing today?
Well, I'm going to do some facilitating, or we call sketchnoting, and I'm just going to do a little drawing. That's pretty much what I'll be doing. Wonderful. Is following what everyone's talking about and putting it in a visual context.
Wonderful. Well, we're going to come back to you time and time again. And so we will check in at a later time in terms of what the graphics that you're producing, the illustrations are doing. So thank you so much for capturing what's going on today. I think this is a fun element of the Teacher Tech Summit.
It's a language that you have to learn. You need to interpret and express and create with it. So that's my view on it.
I love that. This is a new language that we must learn. Thank you so much, all of you. These were absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Andy, for the wonderful graphics you've been sharing throughout our time together. And, I think just looking at that graphic, just visually, we can see the diversity that we have today in mediums through which to tell our stories. And so thank you to the panel for inspiring us all